Facts about Suzuki Company.
Suzuki Motor Corporation is a Japanese multinational corporation that specializes in manufacturing automobiles, motorcycles, and outboard motors. It was founded on October 1909 by Michio Suzuki in Hamamatsu, Japan. Suzuki is one of the largest manufacturers of motorcycles and outboard motors in the world. The company is known for its wide range of motorcycles, including sports bikes, cruisers, scooters, and off-road bikes. In the automotive sector, Suzuki produces a variety of vehicles, including compact cars, sedans, SUVs, and mini trucks. The Suzuki Swift and Suzuki Vitara are among the well-known models from their lineup. Suzuki is recognized for its expertise in small cars. The company has developed compact and fuel-efficient vehicles that are popular in urban environments and have gained a reputation for their affordability and reliability. The Suzuki Jimny is an iconic compact SUV that has gained a dedicated fan base worldwide. Known for its ruggedness and off-road capabilities, the Jimny has become popular among outdoor enthusiasts and adventure seekers. Suzuki has a strong presence in motorsports, particularly in the field of motorcycle racing. The company has achieved success in various competitions, including MotoGP, where they have won multiple championships. The company has been proactive in developing eco-friendly technologies, such as hybrid powertrains and electric vehicles (EVs). They have introduced models like the Suzuki Swift Hybrid and Suzuki Across plug-in hybrid SUV. Suzuki has a global presence with manufacturing facilities and sales networks in various countries. The company sells its products in numerous markets around the world, including Asia, Europe, North America, and Latin America.
Now you know.